ran from one end of the town to the other, warning everyone.
The sky's falling! The sky's falling! The sky is falling!
He told
Goosey, Lucy, Drakey, Lakey, Foxy, Loxy, and Ducky, Locky! He even told Yoshi, Shy Guy, Birdo, and Paratroopa!
Soon, Okie Oaks was in a panic.
Just then, Fireflower came up to them. She said, "Don't be scared. The sky is not falling. It was just an acorn, okay?" They all agreed.
We interrupt this program to bring you late-breaking news.
Huh?
We're reporting to you live from the home of Chicken Little, in hopes of getting an interview with the crazy little chicken himself.
Little! Get him, Paratroopa! Ah!
Are you concerned about sky falling copycats?
Are you any relation to the boy who cried wolf?
Are you really a chicken?
Look over there! Where'd he go? Get him, Paratroopa! Get him!
What's your reaction to the news that a movie
Oh,
is going to be made of your amazing mistake?
a movie? That can't be true.
It is and it is. By this time next summer, everyone on the planet will know of your colossal
Not enough! Get out of here! Leave us alone! Over again? Oh, Ma. Russell Crowe?
Get off my board.
Go away! Come on, come on. Ah, yes. Huh? Oh God. No, no, no. No, no, no. No! Hey! Oh, thanks, guys. Oh! 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 Birdo, so happy to see you. It's been a long time since we met. Okay, Yowen. Oh, hey. Hey, Shy Guy. Hey, Fish. Oh! How can I ever repay you two?